Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today's video is going to be very important for all the 2025 batch students because finally an important hiring opportunity has been announced by Infosys through their EdgeVerve systems, and honestly this is one of the best opportunity where chances of getting assessment link and responses are actually very high compared to many other off-campus hirings. So uh, make sure that you are applying to this opportunity, but before moving ahead, one important thing: they haven't mentioned any last date to apply, and we don't know how long this hiring will gonna be live, so apply as early as you can. And now let's talk about the details one by one. So this hiring is for the role of software engineer under EdgeVerve, which is a product based subsidiary of Infosys, and the eligibility is for B.Tech students from the 2025 batch. And one very important point there is that this is not one of those hirings where only a very small percentage of students get selected. In this, generally what happens is, suppose 100 students apply, then maybe only 10 or 15 receive the online test link, but according to the current trend in this hiring, a much higher numbers of eligible students are receiving assessment links. So if you are eligible and your profile is properly filled, then there is a decent chance that you may receive the coding assessment link. Now talking about the selection process, so first there will be an online assessment round, and this round is mainly a coding challenge, so you should definitely prepare basic DSA aptitude and coding questions before applying. Now after clearing the assessment round, shortlisted candidates will move to the technical interview and HR interview rounds. And also one thing that creates confusion among students is the hiring name. So sometimes students receive email mentioning Infosys final, while some receive emails from EdgeVerve directly. So don't get confused, both are connected to this hiring process. So this is EdgeVerve hiring page. Here you can read the job description. Role designation is software engineer and eligibility is B.Tech 2025 graduates only. And now let's talk about the job location. So the hiring is being conducted for multiple locations including Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune and other pan India offices. So you should be open to relocate because the company can assign any location based on business requirements. And another important point mentioned in the job description is that the company is currently following a hybrid work model. So it will not be complete work from home. Now coming to the eligibility criteria carefully because many students make mistakes here. First, this hiring is especially for 2025 graduates. Candidates from previous batches should not apply, and candidates having active backlogs are not eligible for this. So if you currently have pending backlog, then unfortunately you should avoid applying right now. Third, candidate who do not have their consolidated mark sheet or provisional degree certificate are also advised not to apply. So before filling out the application form, make sure all your academic documents are ready. And now let me quickly tell you how to apply. You simply need to open the application link, click on apply to job and then sign in or create your account. After that, fill in all your details carefully, including academics, personal information, skills and resume. And while filling the form, make sure your resume is updated, your email ID and phone numbers are active, all marks and percentage are entered correctly, and there are no spelling mistakes in your profile, because even small mistakes sometimes affect shortlisting. And if you are someone preparing for product based or service based company hiring drives, then this opportunity becomes even more important because Infosys and EdgeVerve's names add very good value to your resume. And as I always say, do not ignore opportunities just because the package or role details are not fully mentioned right now. For freshers, the most important thing is getting interview experience, assessment experience, and entering the industry with a good company. So If you are eligible, apply as soon as possible before the link expires. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe because I regularly post fresher hirings, internships, off-campus drives, walking drives, and all the important links will be available in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.